You got a surprise for me? Really?
For you.
Really?
No, they're for me.
I'll trade you.
We can do a trade. Nice.
So pretty.
Well, we meet again.
My neck feels great.
Nice.
Back feels great. No complaints. We get our episode of From tomorrow. It's
I
like
promise.
9 p.m. on Sunday, so we'll get it at like 3 p.m.
Your hair is gonna drive me nuts. Things are kind of checking out pretty good today.
I feel good. I feel
Okay,
good.
calm down, calm down.
Yeah.
Any last words?
I can't wait for this.
Tuck the chin down.
My hair is in the way. Hold on.
Relax your shoulders.
Oh, wow.
You may come up. How was that?
Yeah, buddy. That was good.